welcome to Run Run Deals. Today I'm going to be reviewing this windshield winder cleaner tool. It's a great product. It comes with a nice little bag, so when you're done you can put everything away. As you can see, this is everything it comes with. It comes with a little bottle that you can put your solution for to clean your windows in, so that's really nice. It comes with a sponge to help you clean also. Then also it comes with 3 of these microfiber cloths to put on your tools, so that way you can clean your window nice and clean. This handle goes all around, so as you can see, and then it also opens up, so that way it gives you an extra, so you don't have to lean in too much. You could just easily wash your windows like this. So really great, convenient. It's got a nice comfortable grip, so it's not gonna slip, and it's really easy to put it back and on, and simple to take these off. You can throw these in the wash, so they're really nice, so you can use them constantly. So I love this tool. It's perfect. You can clean inside, you can clean outside, anything. So really great product, definitely nice to have, and conveniently store everything away when you're done in this little bag and keep it in your car or in your house. So I highly recommend this product, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.